I spoke here 2 years ago, I was concerned about the upcoming antibiotic resistance and how we had to start thinking about building like we did before we had antibiotics. And I said Passive House should be the healthy house, that we should own this sector with its sealed walls and its filtered fresh air and its insulation that in colder climates made it possible to get decent humidity without condensation. And now we have this, the coronavirus. And it's more important than ever that Passive House be placed in this sector as the healthy house. I wrote back in March that ventilation is critical. Another point is that in a Passive House building, the interior air is not filtered and recirculated as it is in normal homes and offices. It is exhausted and replaced with fresh outside air through the heat recovery ventilator. In around April, the European engineers started recommending that we should stop recirculating air in buildings at all, and calling for what they called hygiene ventilation. Architect Justin Beer wrote from London that COVID-19 should be a wake-up call for the building industry. For governments and for statutory regulators of the construction industry, it's only when building heat load is very small, as it is in a Passive House building, that hygiene ventilation is possible at all. Jonathan Cairns, an architect of many Passive Houses, including this beautiful Passive House renovation you see here, his firm wrote that Passive House presents a wonderful opportunity to build better, create healthy environments, to future-proof our buildings. The standard has the ability to respond to COVID-19 while not ignoring climate change, as the systems it employs allow for total building design where environments are healthy, energy is saved, and emissions are avoided. And Dr. Feist, one of the co-founders of Passive House, he pitched in this too. To explain, a ventilation system with heat recovery brings fresh, hygienically clean air into the home. This is not recirculated air, which has been the cause of concern to some. Systems certified for Passive House have good filters, which significantly reduces germs more than a conventional mask. Passive House buildings are good for health, he said. So thank you very much.